how to add WeatherXM to your wallet. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add WeatherXM to your wallet. First, we have to get MetaMask. To do this, just search MetaMask and add it to Chrome as an extension. After that, open up rbscan.io, then get to the bottom of the page. At the bottom of the page, click on Add Arbitrum One Network, then Approve. After that, you will be able to see the Arbitrum network on your MetaMask. In the MetaMask window, you can change your network right here at the upper left corner, drop down arrow, and then search Arbitrum. Select it, and you have now added it to your MetaMask. To add WeatherXM, click on Import Tokens. Then, open up this WeatherXM tutorial website and then just scroll down until you see Add WXM token in MetaMask. Then, copy this address right here. After that, go back to MetaMask and paste your address, then click on Next. Click on Import, and that's it. You've successfully added WeatherXM to your wallet. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.